To open MetaMask with a key, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets and how they work. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. First, you need to download and install the MetaMask extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon to open it. If you already have an account, you can import your existing wallet using your private key. To do this, click on the Import Wallet button and select the private key option. You will then be prompted to enter your private key. This key is usually a 64-character string of letters and numbers that is unique to your wallet. Enter your private key in the provided space and click on the Import button. You will then be asked to create a new password for your wallet. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect it from unauthorized access. Choose a strong and unique password and click on the Create button. Your wallet is now imported and ready to use. You can view your account balance, transaction history, and other details. It is essential to keep your private key safe and secure, as anyone with access to it can control your wallet and steal your funds. Best practices include storing your private key in a secure location, such as a hardware wallet or an encrypted file, and never sharing it with anyone. Additionally, make sure to back up your wallet regularly, in case you lose access to your private key or your computer crashes. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely open MetaMask with your key and manage your cryptocurrency wallet. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and private key, as the cryptocurrency space can be volatile and prone to scams. By being mindful of these risks and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely use MetaMask to manage your digital assets. In conclusion, opening MetaMask with a key is a straightforward process that requires attention to security and best practices. By understanding how to import your wallet, create a strong password, and keep your private key safe, you can confidently use MetaMask to store and manage your cryptocurrency.